And then question number 6, determine the domain and range of relation R defined by R is equal to x comma x plus 5 is such that x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have to find the domain and range of the relation, and this relation is in set builder form. In order to find the domain and range, firstly we will be writing this relation in roster form. तो इस relation को पहले हम roster form में लिख लेते हैं, उसके बाद हम निकालेंगे domain and range. So if we put we have to put all the values of x from here in this ordered pair. So if we put 0 here, so the ordered pair will be 0, x is equal to 0, here is 0. Then if we put 0 here, this will become 5, 0, 5. If we put 1 here, then this will become 1 and this will become 6. Again 2, x equal to 2, अगर हम इसमें put करते हैं 2 और यहाँ 2 put करते हैं तो 7. Then 3, if we put x 3 here, so 3, and if we put 3 here, then this will become 8. Then similarly 4 here, then x is 4, and 4 here, then x is 9. This second element is 9. And if we put 5 here, this gives us 5, and if we put 5 here, this is second element is 10. So this is the relation which was described by set builder form that we have written in roster form. जो set builder form में relation दिया हुआ था उसको हमने roster form में लिख लिया. And now we have to find the domain and range of this relation. What is the domain? All the first elements in the order pair which are in relation. Domain is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And again, what is range? Range is 5. All the second elements in the order pair which are in relation. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is domain and range. Question number 7 is, write the relation R x comma x cube is such that x is a prime number less than 10 in the roster form. This again relationship is given in set builder form and we have to write in roster form. So what will be the relation? Relation is, we have to put here the value of x from where x should be a prime number and that should be less than 10. So the prime number start from 2 because 1 is neither prime nor composite, so we can't take 1 as a prime number. So let us start from 2. So if we put here 2, here will be second order pair will be 2 cube, that means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So this is the first order pair. Then next prime number is after 2, next prime number is 3. So put here 3, so this will give 3 and cube of 3 is 27. Next prime number is 5. Put 5 here, then first element is 5 and second element will be 5 cube, that will give us 125 because 5 cube is 125. Then after that 7 is the next prime number. So here first element will be 7 and 7 cube, that will give us 343. This is the cube of 7. And after 7 the next prime number is 11 which is greater than 10 and we have to take the prime number only less than 10. So this is the relation in roster form which is obtained by this relationship which is described in set builder form. Question number 8 is, let A equal to x, y, z and B equal to 1, 2. Find the number of relations from A to B. Here if we talk of number of relations, this is equal to 2 raised to power the number of elements in A multiply number of elements in B. How can we do this? We know that number of elements in A is equal to 3 and number of elements in B and B is equal to 2, 1 and 2. So what is the total number of elements if in a Cartesian product of A and B? If we want to find n A cross B, that is equal to, we already know that n A multiply by n B. that means this is equal to 3 multiply 2 equal to 6. But this is the number of elements in the Cartesian product of A and B. And what we have to find out, we have to find out the number of relations from A to B. Then what is the number of relations from A to B? Number of relations from A to B is 2 raised to power this एन ए मल्टीप्लाई एन बी. दैट मीन्स जितना हमारा ए क्रॉस बी में जितने नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स आए 2 रेज टू पावर दैट नंबर इज़ द नंबर ऑफ रिलेशन. मतलब कि जो पहले हमें क्या निकालना है, नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन ए क्रॉस बी, और फिर नंबर ऑफ रिलेशन क्या है, 2 रेज टू पावर दैट नंबर विच वी हैव गोट बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग दिस 2. सो 2 रेज टू पावर 6 दैट इज 64 number of relations will be in will be there from set A to B. Question number 9 is let R be the relation on Z defined by R equal to AB is such that AB belongs to Z and A minus B is an integer. Find the domain and range of R. हमें एक ये सेट दिया हुआ है एंड दैट इज़ इन सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. Let us understand what is this statement. This statement is that AB is such that ऑर्डर पेयर के दो एलिमेंट्स जो हैं वो इस तरह से हैं कि AB बिलोंग्स टू Z. Z इज़ द सेट ऑफ इंटीजर्स. जो AB हैं दोनों इंटीजर्स हैं क्योंकि वो Z से बिलोंग करते हैं. एंड one more condition is that A minus B is an integer. Then you have to find out the domain and range. In lower classes we studied the closure property of integers. According to that property the difference of two integers is always an integer. अब ये जो डिफरेंस है ये कब ये जो है ये इंटीजर होगा. कब इंटीजर होगा? जब A और B दोनों क्या होंगे, इंटीजर होंगे, और वो इंटीजर्स हैं और इनका जो डिफरेंस है वो हमेशा क्या होगा, इंटीजर. सो ये कंडीशन हमारी यहीं से ही मिल रही है कि A एंड B बिलोंग टू Z. ये दोनों इंटीजर्स हैं और उनका डिफरेंस जो है वो इंटीजर है. सो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि A भी इंटीजर है और B भी इंटीजर है और इसलिए उनका डिफरेंस जो है वो इंटीजर आएगा. दैट मीन्स जो हमारा रिलेशन होगा दैट विल बी, उसके अंदर जो भी ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स होंगे, फर्स्ट होगा या सेकंड ऑर्डर पे होगा या थर्ड होगा, उसके जो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट और सेकंड एलिमेंट होंगे दोज विल बी इंटीजर्स. दोनों एलिमेंट्स हर ऑर्डर्ड पेयर में क्या होंगे, इंटीजर्स. फर्स्ट एलिमेंट इंटीजर एंड सेकंड एलिमेंट इज ऑल्सो इंटीजर. इसी तरह से जितने भी ऑर्डर पेयर होंगे उनमें फर्स्ट और सेकंड एलिमेंट दोनों इंटीजर्स होंगे. दैट मीन्स व्हाट इज़ रेंज, व्हाट इज़ डोमेन. डोमेन विल बी again, domain is set of integers, that means Z, and रेंज विल ऑल्सो बी सेट ऑफ इंटीजर्स, क्योंकि पहला एलिमेंट भी इंटीजर से बिलोंग करेगा और दूसरा भी इंटीजर से बिलोंग करेगा, तभी उनका डिफरेंस जो है A माइनस बी इंटीजर होगा. एंड दैट्स वाई जो सेकेंड एलिमेंट ऑफ द ऑर्डर पेयर ऑफ द रिलेशन विल ऑल्सो बी इंटीजर. दैट विल ऑल्सो डोमेन विल बिलोंग टू Z and domain is the set domain is the set of integers and range is also the set of integers, that is Z. Thank you.